Hey guys, Glimmer Online. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Okay, so today, what are we doing here? This is going to be the 50 to 100 leads every single day. And just so you know, I'm telling you this is what I'm doing to create leads. Because here's the reality, guys. A couple of leads a day are not going to get you sales. They're not going to get you where you want to be. You need to be producing like 50, 100 leads a day, every single day. And you need to learn how to do that. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to do an example of it. I'm going to show you where I learned how to do it. And I'm going to show you where I learned how to do the follow up. Okay. There's going to be some work you guys need to do. But if you're sitting there thinking like, my business is not generating the business that I want, then you definitely need to watch this video to the end and take action. And guys, I was just like you. I was trying to get my business going. I watched the video and I was like, aha, that's what I need to do. I took action and boom, my business started to roll. All right. So first off, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I do my videos. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. This is just today. I've got to cut off kind of a little bit because I don't want to show email notes. But guys, if you look at these are leads today. Right? Leads today, 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 leads yesterday, leads less yesterday, leads sales, right? And it goes on and on, guys. Like these are basically generating free leads. I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. So how do I do it? I'm going to show you. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to do one for you. I have, as you can see on the screen, I've got this list of headlines. If you want this list of headlines, you have to comment below. Give me a thumbs up and say, Glenn, send me your headlines list, okay? And this is going to be super helpful for you because you can use these headlines and they're great, captivating headlines to do. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to go to one of the spam groups that I'm in and you know what's going to happen? I'm going to put this in here and it may or may not work because I'm doing a live video, but and I probably will get some spam comments, but I'm just going to show you how it can work, okay? And this is what you need to be doing. You just have to understand this is exactly what you need to do. So right here, easy work at home, get paid cash daily. Let's see. Could you use 200 a day step-by-step instructions, right? So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to post it, right? I'm going to go comment how below. And guys, you guys have seen this, I'm sure, but it works. You just have to, the problem, what happens is this is the thing. People will get a comment how below, and instead of messaging that person, they will drop a link into the stream. You don't want to drop a link until you've probably generated like 20 or 30 comments. If you're not generating those 20 or 30 comments, you have to go back and you kind of have to keep sort of nudging that post up. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this one really simple. You could put an image there, but you don't need to. I love this sort of cactus one. It makes it stand out. You could use whatever you want, right? Could you use 200 today step-by-step instructions, comment how below? And I know people say, oh, Facebook gets all bent out of crap for posting how. It's still working for me. If it stops working, change it up. I'm going to go boom, fire, money, beach, right? Just some emojis on there. Oop. Let's go back here. Come on. Of course, it doesn't want to work for me when I'm doing it. There we go. All right, so I'm going to put this. Boop. Cut this. I'm going to put this. Boop. Boop. Could use next to 200 today. Step-by-step instructions. Comment how below. Right? So I'm just going to post this, guys. Boom. Post it into a spam group. Now, you want to belong to... I would recommend doing, I used to post in a whole bunch of them, but then you got to be really careful with Facebook. You got to kind of be careful. Like you might want to change this up, wording a little bit in each step. But basically, this is the thing. If you want these, you can do different headlines. You don't want to just post the exact same thing over and over and over. maybe you want to do it in 6 groups, but once you get over like 6 to 10 groups, then Facebook might say you're posting the same thing, and it's going to stop you from posting. They'll say that post isn't allowed or anything like that. So this is what you're going to do. Now here's a really good tip. Go ahead and give it a wow or a love or something like that. So what happens is, especially if you're in a really busy group, if you post it, someone else might have posted it, and it'll get bumped down. So with that first comment, it's like boom, and Facebook doesn't even know, or maybe they're learning, but basically they don't know that you're the one doing that. Okay, you also notice, like this, guys. Look at it. See my post here. It says I'm a visual storyteller. Why am I a visual storyteller? Because I go in and I comment on people's posts. I don't spam people's posts. I actually support them. I say, hey, this looks great, and I'll put a GIF or something like that. And I'll continue to sort of work these groups throughout the day. It takes no time. I'm on my phone. I just jump on there and go boop, 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 boop. And it takes literally 15-20 seconds. I'll like a few posts. And what I'm doing is it's just I'm being interactive in these communities. And I'll do it in a few different groups. And it basically becomes a visual storyteller. When you're a visual storyteller, Facebook gives you more credibility because you're getting people to interact, right? So basically, that's what you want to do. Okay, so that's the technique, guys. Now, where did I learn this? Well, I need to show you. Where am I? Let me see. Let me go on here. I thought I had the window open, but I was mistaken. Let me log in here, and I'm going to show you exactly where I learned this. And guys, this is a system that you need to join and learn. This is where I learned it. This is where all the 6 and 7 earners learned to do this. And this is exactly what they do. And why I love this system and why you need to do it is basically they are leader creators. And what I love about it is, here, let me show you here. A My Lead System Pro. Now I'm a professional, right? I'm an upgraded member. It has a business center. You can set up Stripe. You can build your own products in it. But what I love about it, it's like start here. They basically give you the getting started with My Lead System Pro, right? They give you step by step. Like it's amazing that what you get with this system. Like it's literally, you just have to go through it step by step, and you will see like I can't reinforce this. Like guys, hit thumbs up if this is what you're looking for. This is exactly all the steps you need to do, the foundation, how you get set up, how you create, how you get involved with this, right? Everything that you need to be doing within this. Look at it, says I'm only at 60% here, which is odd because I've gone through all the steps. Unless they've added new ones since step 8, 9, 10. See, they've been adding new stuff because I haven't been in here because I've just been working in my business. This out of the way. So basically, guys, this is exactly where I learned how to create the leads, but more importantly, I learned how to follow up with the leads in order to transform them into sales. And the thing is, guys, if you're upset where you are at this business, here, let me get back on here for you. There we go. Now, if you've been working, in your business and you're like, I'm not getting the results I want to get. I really want to get more results. I need to get more leads. I want to do this. Like I'm nobody special, guys. I'm not a guru. I'm just a guy that said, I'm going to go follow this. I was coachable. I said, okay, what is it going to take? I'm going to follow the steps. I followed the steps, and I'm generating leads and sales daily. And does it take time? Yes. But guys, it's free leads. You can also pay for leads. If you don't want to do free leads and you've got cash, you can pay for leads. But I'm telling you, you're going to get better results, I personally think, from free leads, from that technique that I showed you right there, that simple technique using social media. Now, The other technique I recommend is exactly what I'm doing here. Create videos that show people how to do things, and then give them a link to check out below, which I'm going to do right now. Go get there's a 14-day, I think 7 or 10 or 14-day trial of MLSP. Go take it now, because actually you could learn a ton in those 7-10 days, and then if you don't want the system, don't have it. But guys, the system makes money. This is what's so beautiful about it. You're out there generating all these leads. Now think about this, right? You say, hey, are you open to looking at a new opportunity? They're like, no, I'm really good. I really want to build what I have. So you can say, well, how's it going getting leads and sales? And they may go, well, it's actually really hard. And they've opened the door for you. You say, well, you know what? I was struggling too. I was having a really hard time. And I found this amazing training that taught me from step 1, 2, 3 through 10, exactly what to do in order to generate free leads every single day and turn those leads into sales. And that person that you may not be able to prospect into your business, you could share this with them and get paid an affiliate commission. It's so easy to refer this. Excuse me. I went for my walk. I'm having a beer and I'm like, doing the video. So, guys, take a look, take a tour through what I'm talking about down there. Check it out. I don't promote this as my main business. You'll see the links below are my main business that I'm promoting. I promote this to people that already have a business and they want to get more leads and sales. And guess what? It pays for itself every single month and puts money in my pocket. So what you need to be doing is learning. If your business is not where you want it to be, then you need to get the right training. If you're just dabbling, fine, then dabble, whatever. But if you really want to have life changing, like you want to change your life, you really want to change your life, then you need to tap into the system. This is where the 6 and 7 figure earners learned it all. When you go in there, you're going to be part of a community where you're going to be able to see these guys like Diane Hockman, who's a $1 million earner, right? Ray Higdon, who came out of there, multi-million dollar earner, has his own whole thing, right? Like so many of the top leaders came out of this system, and this is where you need to get trained. And guys, it's a brilliant community, and you will not be disappointed. And bonus is you're getting a free trial, right? And it's money back guarantee anyway. So you have nothing to lose. You have everything to gain. So if you want to be generating 50 to 100 free leads every single day. And guys, it's not just Facebook. That's just one method. They have Twitter, they have Instagram, they have TikTok, they have every sort of thing. They blog. They actually have, this is what's really cool. They have a blog that they have professionally written blogs, right? That instead of you copying that blog and putting it on your blog, you actually log in with your affiliate name and then you share that blog. Any banner or any link in that blog post then has your affiliate link in it. It's brilliant. My Twitter feed is full of the blogs. People go on, they see the blog, they read it, like, yeah, they click, boom, I have another lead. Boom, I have another lead. It also integrates with your autoresponder. So the leads are yours. They don't go to them. They go into your autoresponder system. And that's what you need to do. You need to own your traffic. You need to be building your list. So hopefully this is helpful. Before we go, I'm going to jump back onto Facebook and see if I have any sort of comments here. Let's just see if this is working. Watch it. Probably nothing because I'm doing this live. But let's see. See if I'm refreshing the page. I'm checking my phone too, see if I'm getting any notification. Of course not. See, I'm doing it late at night. And nothing yet. But that's okay because I know it happens. You guys saw my email. You guys saw that the leads that come in. So nope, nothing yet. So there's a notification. So now, and so here's another thing, guys. When you do that, and let's say this is super bonus. Make sure you subscribe and hit a thumbs up if you're getting a bonus from this. Here's another little tip for you, right? When you've done this, let's say you do this at the beginning of the day, and you go about your day, and you comment and stuff, and you throw these links up, and you do it in 5 or 10 groups, whatever. and you don't get any activity, go back and comment um, um, on your post. Go ahead and put your affiliate link, right? Go make sure you're putting a not a link that's blocked by Facebook, but go ahead and go back and put your basically your landing page so you're able to capture an email. You just say, hey guys, if anyone wants information on this, and then leave the link in the comments, right? What that's going to do, it's actually going to bump it back up to the top, and you didn't get any comments, but you may get some people commenting on it, or you may get people spamming it or whatever. Don't worry about it. It's okay if they spam your link, because you're going to go ahead and do it again the next day, and you're going to go ahead and do it the next day, and you're going to do this day after day after day. So think about it. What you're doing is you're doing the post, you're hoping for engagement. If you don't get the engagement that you want, go back, then put the link in your comments under your post, and then tomorrow do it again. If you continue to do this and you're active in these groups, right? You can't just go in there, post, and not go in and just hit 3 or 4 posts. Don't like the really spammy ones. Like the ones that look somewhat legitimate. And make a comment. Like, don't just hit like, but make a comment like, hey, this looks like a great program. If I was looking for something new, man, this would be what I'd be looking for, right? So when the person contacts you, like, hey, are you interested in my program? Say, no, I was just helping. It looked like a good program, so I was just helping you boost it a little bit. That's all you need to say. People will love you for it. They're going to go, really? You're just trying to help me boost my post? That's amazing. So, sorry guys, my camera was, my pitch was over there, so I was looking to the side there. So basically, yeah. So no comments on it yet, guys. But I'll keep you in the yeah, nothing yet. So anyway, so that's the strategy, guys. That's how you're going to do free thing. Don't just go in there and spam your link, right? Create a curiosity post, because what you want to do, the main thing you want Facebook to do is you want to have engagement. You want engagement. You want to have people commenting, and even when sort of someone ends a conversation, add one more comment like, hey, awesome, thanks a lot, thanks for having the conversation, or hey, have a great day, or whatever. Like, kind of get as many comments in that's not weird. Like, don't make it really weird, but try to get going back and forth. There was a guy that had posted something, and I said, hey, you should check with your company's compliance on that. And we went back and forth, and we actually boosted his post up, which is great for him. But also it's like people are looking, oh, Glen's engaged, that guy's engaged. Well, I'm going to show more their stuff to other people, because they're engaged people. They're not just hitting the like button and not doing anything. So you need to be engaged. It's social media. Hopefully that's helpful, guys. Go take the free tour now. Go take it. Learn everything you can. If you want my all my headline stuff that you can use for just sort of curiosity post stuff, comment below, reach out to me, message me however you can. Opt into one of my businesses. You'll get an email from me, whitelist my email, of course, but then you can reply to me, right? Just reply like, hey Glenn, I saw that video where you had your headlines notes. Can you send that to me? And I'll just send it back to you in an email. I guess that's what I have for you. Subscribe. And let's make your business get to the next level. You need those leads, guys. If you don't have leads, your business will fail. And then you need to learn how to turn those leads into sales. And that's where this training comes in. Hopefully this is helpful, guys. Thank you very much. Cheers.